Hey, this is Mr. Crane. We're going to do a assignment together. Just the first part, we're going to break this into three different parts, but it's called Atoms and You. I'm going to turn my screen around so that you can see my screen up top. And we're basically going to take a periodic table. So you'll need a copy of the periodic table. You can find that in one of the previous assignments from last week. So I provided two periodic tables for you. You can pull that up, have that in one tab, and then pull this assignment up. So you're going to need to open up your assignment. It's a Word doc, and you're going to need to convert it to a Google Doc so that you can make some editing to it. Just today, we're doing the top part. So let's get started real quick. Okay. So you can see the screen. I had turned turn all the lights off so that you can see this. So we're going to quickly mess with this. I started it a while ago and my video cut out. So here's our periodic table. When you watch this in full mode, if you make it bigger, you can see all the words. So you're going to fill out the chart below using a periodic table. So you have an element, atomic number, mass number, number of protons, number of electrons, and the number of neutrons. So the cool thing is if you know your atomic number, that's the number, for instance, like hydrogen, it's number 1, helium's number 2, lithium's number 3, beryllium number 4, boron number 5, and so on, carbon number 6. If I know my number for my atomic number for carbon, for instance, that's our first one, I know it's number 6. On the periodic table, that larger number, that 12.01 number, we're just going to use the whole number, that's our atomic number. A mass number, I'm sorry, that's our mass number. That's how much the mass of the nucleus weighs. That's the number of protons and the number of neutrons. So it weighs 12 AMUs, atomic mass units. So in order to find the great thing is if we know our atomic number, we also know our number of protons. So 6 of those and 6 electrons. Now we're left with trying to figure out our number of neutrons. When we get our number of neutrons, from taking the mass number, the atomic mass, and subtracting the number of protons from it. So we're going to do that now. So we have our mass number for carbon is 12. Again, I rounded it to a whole number, 12. And I'm going to subtract 6, and that leaves me with 6. Now, if I were you, I would go and I'd use my atomic number and I'd fill in where I know I can fill in. So I have 25, 25, 25. On your periodic table, you'll find that the atomic number 25 belongs to the element manganese. And that's its atomic symbol, and then carbon is a C. Manganese has 54.9 as atomic mass. We're going to round that to 55. 55 minus 25 is 30 AMUs. So all you have to do now is take your chart where you have your number of protons.
Teachers, the time now is 12:38, and that's the end of 5th period, and it's 5th and 6th grade lunch.
Keep doing that until we're finished. And use our little rule that we just did, 55, 55, and 55, 77, 77, 109, 109, and 109. Now you just utilize your periodic table and what you know about it to finish the chart. So good luck.